Hello, everyone. We're back with another great update to your full scope tools. If you are running and managing a community through our membership tools, you now have the option to add admin only channels where people can come to see posts from yourself or the other admins of that community, but they cannot post themselves so that they don't clog up that channel if it's only for example, certain things like announcements or news or things where really only admins should be involved. So if you just go to your community group, click add channel, you'll now see down here at the bottom, we have read only channels. If you toggle this on, only you and other admins and owners of the channel will be able to post content to it. So other members can see it, but only you can post here. And if you already have a channel created that you would like to switch over to an admin only channel, for example, this announcements channel right here, just click on the channel, click the little gear icon, and here in settings, you can also come here and click restrict members from posting, and this will also create essentially an admin only channel for you. So great new options for your community tools to make your online community that much better for you and your members. As always, if you have any questions, just pop over to the support portal in your account and let our team know. We will be happy to help.